Working on a 350 small block Chevy, trying to get these dowel pins out so I can work on the deck. Giving it the usual treatment. First I hit it with some heat, and then I'll grab a wrench and hit it with a hammer, sort of loosen it up, and then I break out the trusty slide hammer. So what this is a pair of vice grips welded onto a collar that then I can attach the slide hammer to and get it down there nice and tight, and usually these come right out, but this one decided to be difficult. So I'm going to step things up a notch here, getting that dowel pin sanded so I can weld a nut onto it, so hopefully I can either turn it or pry it off. Well, it seemed to take all right, so now let's give it a turn. Nope, that didn't work. Let's try again. A little protection for the engine block this time. All right, here we go, take two. Negative, that thing's junk. Let's break out the big guns. Got this dowel pin puller. This is the SAE kit, it's got everything I need. Let's get this thing set up and ready to go. Crank it down real good, then we get the next piece. Final bit, we're going to put a nut and a washer on there and use a mechanical advantage to get that pin out. And there she goes. Another job done, now we can move on.